This video will show you how to check your progress in Intellipath, locate incomplete lessons, and complete them. It'll show you this from the virtual campus computer view. Open Intellipath from your online classroom. When Intellipath loads, you will see a meter that shows you what you have done so far, what you should do next, and if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you will see your list of objectives. This is where you can choose which unit of Intellipath you want to work on. Please pay attention to these numbers here at the right. The first circle you see shows you your current grade on that unit of Intellipath, and this updates in real time as you complete the lessons and improve your score. The second circle shows you how many of the lessons you have done. In Unit 1, 4/12 would mean that you have done 4 of the 12 lessons for the unit. That leaves 8 more to go. When this says 12 out of 12, you will know that you're done. Let's go into Unit 1 and find those remaining 8 lessons. We're going to click on the name of the unit here. When Unit 1 loads, it shows you those same numbers we just saw again. These are your progress meters. To find those remaining 8 lessons, we're going to go to the learning map. We click on the words learning map here to open it up. And you're going to see a bunch of circles and titles. It might look like this, a list, or it might look like more of a chart. But you will see 12 circles in this example because there are 12 lessons. Each circle is a lesson. Some of the circles will be filled in with a color, like this one here, this one here, this one here, and this orange one at the bottom. Remember, it said that I had done 4 of the 12. So these 4 that are filled in with a color represent the lessons I have gone through at least once. The lessons that are white, either white with a dot or white with a lock, are lessons that are not done yet. And if I were to count them in this list, there would be 8 because I have 8 remaining lessons to go. To complete these lessons, I'm going to select one that does not have a lock on it. I'm going to click the Learn button to go into the lesson. And I'm going to go through the material it gives me. I'm going to read the material, watch videos along the way, complete activities, and as I'm ready to advance through it, I'll continue to click the next button. Take your time with this step and take notes. I'm going to speed through this process just to show you how this works. Once you have finished going through the lessons, the next step is that Intellipath will ask you questions based on what was in that lesson. Answer these questions to the best of your ability. Use the notes you took. And when it is done, it is going to ask you to save your progress, which you will do, and then you will have finished that lesson. When you go back to your learning map, that lesson too will be filled in with a color, and you can move on to the next white lesson. The ones that have locks on them will open up after you have completed the ones that do not have locks.